Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had taught you Unit 4 lesson The Fire That Would Not Burn. I hope you practice at home and read the lesson carefully, and I send the exercises, question and answer and textbook work to you. Complete it correctly and neatly. Next, today I will go to teach you Unit 5. The poem name is Raindrop. Page number 32. The Unit 5 poem name Raindrop, written by Ruskin Bond. In previous class also, first lesson The Cherry Tree, that one written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a Indian author, very famous for nature poet. He loves too much nature. Every poet written by that nature related. So today's poem is Raindrop. Now I will read the poem to you. Listen. This leaf so complete in itself is only part of a tree, and this tree so complete in itself is only part of the mountain, and the mountain runs down to the sea, and the sea so complete in itself rests like a raindrop in the hand of God. I repeat once, after I will explain to you. This leaf so complete in itself is only part of a tree, and this tree so complete in itself is only part of the mountain, and the mountain runs down to the sea, and the sea so complete in itself rests like a raindrop in the hand of God. Written by Ruskin Bond. So children, first two lines I will repeat once. This leaf so complete in itself is only part of a tree. In these two lines, see, one leaf it's complete it itself. When it is leaf, it is complete. Everything is there. And when it is coming to a tree, it is a part of a tree. But when it is single, that is a complete a leaf. Without leaf, we can think about the tree? No. So it is a part of a tree, but it is complete it itself. When we can keep our finger a leaf, that is a leaf. That is the meaning of these two lines. Next, and this tree so complete in itself is only part of a mountain, but the tree is a complete it itself. On a full structure of tree, it is complete. After when it is coming, it's part of a mountain. See the picture one. Did you see the picture? That mountains surrounding, we can see the tree. That is one part of the mountain. And the mountain runs down to the sea, and the sea is so complete in itself. But mountains run down to the sea. It is coming to run down to the sea, and the sea so complete in itself. But the sea also so complete in itself. One sea, when you see the sea, that ocean or sea, it is complete. But how it's complete? It's rests like a raindrop in the hand of God. It's one drop raindrop. It's going to the sea water, and that after that it is a complete sea. That leaf, tree, mountain, sea, raindrop, everything is made by God. So if everything is hand of God, we can't make these things. It's made by the natural and it's made by the God. So after that we can see So everything we made by the God only. We can't think anything. Now this is the example. Sorry, this is the explain of the poem. Now your work, you have to read the poem carefully with poet name and sit down. They given two meanings, complete and round down meaning. That one also you have to learn. I hope you will learn the poem. This poem only have to read the poem and meanings. And you can see the next page number 33. See page number 33. They are given two questions. One is the poem links many things in nature with the creature of nature, God. In the following diagram, label the boxes correctly to indicate what contains what. Second one, what is the main idea in the poem? Three options they given: the size of things, the geographical features of the world, the related nature of things in the world. So, this is the C option is the correct answer. The related nature of things in the world. And see children, in the first one, they given the picture of a leaf. After that, how to come a leaf is a part of a tree. You have to diagram a tree. After the tree, where related is related part of a mountain. Mountain you have to diagram. Next, mountain where have to go in the sea. See how to come with the raindrop. Raindrop, every raindrop, sea, mountain, tree, leaf. These things who made? The God. So you have to make this diagram. I had given to you homework. You have to complete it in your homework. And when you come to school, you have to show me the work. And question number 2, I have already put tick. You have to see another, nothing is there in this poem. So I hope you will learn the poem at home and be ready for FE2 exam. Poem is compulsory, have to read with punctuation mark. So this is the poem and I given that question answer. Have to do at home properly. Okay, so can complete this one now. Bye children.